A few months ago, we visited a lab in Wakanda. We witnessed tons of magic-like technology that were super crazy. It drove us nuts. We decided to steal one and take it outside for the world to see. Straight from a Wakandan tech lab, we bring you VIBRANIUM INK. With it, you can actually cause ink on a playing card to visually turn into the Spectator's signature. This is VIBRANIUM INK. Learn it now.
Hello everybody, hi, my name is Izzat and welcome. Wait, I was inside the tunnel, so it's gonna be a little bit dark. Hello everybody, hi, my name is Izzat and welcome back to my new video. So in this video today, obviously, as you know, I'm gonna teach you how to do magic. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells just so you don't miss anything from us. What is this? This is VIBRANIUM ink. Imagine this. Ask your spectator to pick one card inside of the pack, and then they sign the card nice and big on the back of the card, and then they saw you as a magician put the card back inside of the pack, and you say that the card, your card just now, the spectator's card, will jump gone from the deck to your pocket. So you take the card out. That's not the card. There is some sort of scribble right at the back of the card. So you just do the magic. You do that, and then the scribble change to the sign. Yes, your spectator sign. Then give him back. Spectator, look at the card. That is the right card. In magic world, there is actually a plot, card trick plot, coin a cross plot, stage magic, levitation plot. So this is my take on a card to pocket using spectator sign card. I name it VIBRANIUM ink. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's get started. The trick to Wakanda is not real, but the magic trick, the VIBRANIUM ink, I'm going to show you a magic trick. That's a real part. So let's get into this. I'm just gonna put my hand right here, just so you cannot see the sun right here. Good, that's perfect. So let's get into this. So spectator pick one card inside. Let's say they take that one. Good. Now they sign their name instead of signing the face of the card. So we're gonna sign the back of the card, your name. So I'm gonna write magic right here, M-A-G-I-C, like this. Good. Magic. Good. So right now, signing the deck. I'm gonna place your card somewhere inside about that. Good. And I'm gonna make two cuts. 1, 2. Just like that. So one more. Good. So I have one card right inside of my back pocket. Would it be amazing if that was your card? Good. So I'm gonna show it to you. See? I have one card right here. Is that your card? No? I have ink right there. Look like your card, but ain't good. So see, do you still remember your card just now, sir? What was it? Watch. If I just do like that, it change to your card. Now, everything can be handed out for examination. That's VIBRANIUM ink. and right now I'm going to show you the secret of the vibranium ink. So basically the secret is this. There's only one secret for this. This is it. So I'm going to show it to you. That's the secret. The secret for this effect is a double back card. This is a card with ink scribble. This is just random scribble, just like that. So the back of it is the same back design. It's actually double back card with this one. You can see that? That's a double-sided tape right there. It sticks. The easiest way to get your hands on this gimmick is just to make it yourself. I still driving, I actually decide to make one video, the intro and the outro for this vibranium ink inside a moving car. So that's it, everybody. That's vibranium ink. I hope that you like this trick as much as I do. I always do this trick in a gig, in a close-up situation, in my shows. So anywhere that I've been, if I bring the card and the gimmick, I do it. That is my take on a card to pocket effect using Spectator sign card. That is vibranium ink. So I hope that you like this trick as much as I do, and I hope to see you again next time. If you are new here, once again, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell just so you don't miss anything from us. There's a lot of magic coming soon. If you have any suggestion, any idea, additional info, or anything regarding this effect or any other effect in my list of video, get to comment down below so that yes, I do read every comment. Please comment down below, like this video, again subscribe, and I see you again next time in the next video. So see you again.